Alright guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use Google Map element. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, click on this elements option and then drag and drop this Google Map element on your page, and then you can see our Google Map element is placed on our page. Basically, this element is directly linked to the Google Map, so here you can find and choose your location from Google Map. And if you want to zoom the Google Maps, so you can simply hold the control key on your keyboard and plus move the scroll button on your mouse. Or on the other hand, you can also use this plus and minus button for zoom in or out in your Google Map. You can also convert the Google Map into satellite imagery by clicking on this option. So now for the further editing and modification, on the right side you can see the more options will appear. So here in the top you can see the content, style and advanced tabs. So in the content tab you can put your exact location on here, and then you can see our location is immediately appear on the Google Map. Next, you can also zoom in and out your location by moving this slider. Next, you can increase or decrease the height of your Google Map. So now let's move to the style tab, in which you can add a little hover animation to your Google Map if you like. Next, you can add the Css filter over here, in which you can add the blur, brightness, contrast, saturation and hue in your Google Map. So basically this is how you can use the Google Map element. So please make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and thanks for watching.